What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and run apps and games from an external drive on your Mac. First, when using an external drive, make sure it's properly connected and formatted. You can use Disk Utility to quickly verify if your external SSD or HDD is using the proper format. Search for Disk Utility in your Spotlight search. On this window, click on View in the top navigation and then Show all devices. Once this is done, select the top level drive and make sure you use APFS, macOS Extended or Journaled, or exFAT. Otherwise, save important files and reformat your drive by clicking Erase. When this is done, access your external drive via the Finder and create a new folder. I will simply name this Applications, just like on my Mac. You can then open another Finder window and access your applications. Make sure that the application you're trying to install on an external drive is not running on your internal SSD. And then, you can simply drag and drop the icon into your Applications folder on the external drive. Once copied, you can delete the application from your internal SSD and launch it from your external drive. It should open up and work on your Mac. If the app is still running in the background, then click the Apple icon in the top left and select Force Quit before selecting the app you're trying to move. You can then try again and it should work. If you want to automatically install applications, for example App Store apps to your external drive, then open up your App Store application. Here, click on App Store in the top navigation and then Settings. Here, enable the Download and Install Large Apps on a Separate Disk option. Below, choose the correct external drive. This will download any applications and games that are larger than 1 GB on the disk you choose. If you want to install Steam games on your external drive, then open up your Steam library. Here, find the game you wish to move or install on your external drive. Click on Install if the game is not installed on your Mac yet, and then you might not see your external drive listed here. Click the cog icon and your Steam storage settings will open up. Here, click this arrow icon in the top right and then select Add Drive. You might need to give Steam some storage permissions on your other drive. And then select the correct drive from this list and then click on Add. Once this is done, you can head back to your Steam library. Click on Install again, and then your other drive will be listed here. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.